So, we're working on this Fox Body Mustang. I had some good damage here on the quarter panel. Looks like they had it pretty well covered with some Bondo. Polyester body filler. Sorry, I don't know if it was Bondo brand or not. So we're grinding it all out so that we can pull the metal out farther and then re-smooth it for the next paint job. It's quite the task with these little blue coral discs. Get it done quite nicely. They won't break, they won't grind into the metal, so they're great for beginners, especially to be able to remove all the stuff on top of the metal without removing thickness of metal. So here we're getting into the thicker part of that polyester body filler. You can almost sculpt the design in there, it's so thick. Look at all that dust. We've gotten past the thick stuff. Now we're just cleaning the rest of the primer off so that we can start with a fresh surface. And this is a beginner that I have using the coral wheel to remove the old finish. And give them a few lessons on how to properly hold the tool in this video. Notice the rotation and make sure that you do not move the tool in the same direction as the rotation. You want to go cross grain from the rotation. So if you're rotating on this corner, you want to go this way. If you're rotating on this corner, you want to go this way. So it depends on which way you're wanting to process it. Now you're using this edge and you're going in this direction. You're creating digs again. If you're going to use this edge, you have to go up and down.
So more keep it flat?
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about your rotation is going this way, right? So if you're using this edge, it's rotating like that, right? If you're using this edge, it's rotating like that. If you're using this edge, it's rotating like that. So when you're on this edge, you want to go up and down. So the rotation is not digging a channel if you're going this way.